Welcome back to Bone Smoke and Sizzle. Today we're gonna making a Welsh lamb sausage. This is a really nice sausage if you like lamb. For this sausage we need lamb, of course, we need leeks, and we need rusk, herbs and spices. So let me show you. From the meat side we need 700 grams of lamb, and what I'm using here is shoulder, shanks, and you have to make sure you trim out the sinews. From the herbs and spices we use 16 grams of table salt per kilo. We need 2 grams of ground black pepper per kilo. We need 1.5 gram of mint. You can use rub mint, also dried mint or fresh mint. I'm using fresh mint and chopped it finely. We need 0.5 grams of crushed rosemary. We need 3.5 grams of fresh crushed garlic per kilo. We need 150 grams of coarsely chopped leeks per kilo. We need 60 grams or 60 ml of ice water per kilo. And we need 90 grams of rusk per kilo. I'm using zwieback because it's also double baked. From the casings we should use sheep casing 26 to 28 mil. I don't have 26 to 28 mil sheep casing, but what I use is 28 to 30 mil pork casings. So that's it from the meat side, and from the herbs and spices and other ingredients what we use. The next thing what we need to do is we need to set up the grinder with the 6mm blade. I have already set up the grinder now, as what you can see here is the 6mm blade. So the next thing what we need to do is we need to mix the lamb with the herbs, spices and everything together. As we want the leeks and everything and the rusk, of course, ground down also to 6mm, and it's easier than chopping it by hand. So what we do is we have chopped the lamb meat a bit finer, mix everything, and then we grind it. So let's get everything in here. Let's chuck in the leeks. Those ones you have to make sure you wash them properly, because like the leeks are very gritty. Chuck in the rusk. So in my case the zwieback. It's a very simple process. Just chuck everything into it. That's it. Add the salt, rosemary, the mint, the pepper, the garlic, and we add the water on top of it, because the rusk will now absorb this water fairly quickly. We just give it a quick mix. So, what a good smell. So that will do. And now we grind this through the 6mm blades, and that should just give us a nice clean cut. Let's start grinding that mix. As you can see, everything gets down quite nicely. So we're nearly done. So that's it. Let's give this a good mix. Let's mix this one here. It doesn't take too long mixing. It starts binding fairly quickly. So that's getting there. So let's have a look what it looks like. Here we go. You can see there's a nice cut. You can see the green spots from the leeks. Of course the mint is in there. Let's put this in the filler. So. Make sure you get the air out by pushing it down. So that's nicely down. Let's start filling sausages. So let's get out the casing there. And like I said many times before, find the opening, put in 2 fingers, get some water in there and start pulling it up. So. Oh, the casing is nearly up. Get the water out, make a knot on the end and fill it semi-firm. So let's start filling. So that's nearly done. Hopefully I got enough casing here. Probably not. I need a bit more casing. So I get a bit more casing. Let's fill out that leftover. So here we go. 3 sausages, it wasn't enough. So the next thing what we do is we're gonna twist them. What we want to do is we want to twist them around 10-12 centimeters. So we make smaller ones from this one here. And you can make it longer if you want to. And just be careful so you don't break the casings. That mix is a bit stiffer, so it's also harder to squeeze. So that's it. Then we got a leftover here. So what we do is we twist them and turn it. That's it. Now let's do this other bit what I have here. That small bit. So hold, squeeze gently and turn. Okay. Again, hold, squeeze gently and turn. That's all what you want to do. You have to take your time when you do those things, especially in the beginning if you're not used to it, because otherwise you start breaking a lot of casings. So hold, squeeze, turn. Just use your 2 fingers if you're not used to it. And if you've got a leftover, you can leave it long, or in that case there's not much left. There's a little bit longer. So we leave it like it is and we just make a knot in it. Alright, let's have a look what the sausages look like. As you can see, they're really nice. You can see a lot of green specks in there from the leeks, a little bit from the mint. Those Welsh Lamb Sausages are very nice sausages. As you can see, the Welsh Lamb Sausage, it's quite easy to make. It's a very nice sausage, and it has nice green specks in there as well because of the leek. On the casings, like I said before, you can use the sheep casing, the 26 to 28 mil, or use 28 to 30 mil pork casings if you don't have the sheep casings in that size. I hope you enjoyed that video of the Welsh Lamb Sausage. If you did, please like the video, hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and tell others about it. Otherwise, I wish you all the best, have fun, make sausages. Until the next time, see ya, bye bye.